In this course, I had to talk about the great opportunity that call centers offer in our Latin American countries. For those who don't know, call centers are companies that offer customer service through telephone calls. So, when you get a job in a call center, it is to answer calls from customers who need assistance of a service that some company is giving them. Of course, there are always going to be some people who don't have a good opinion about the work in a call center. Generally, it is because of bad comments that they have heard from someone else. However, these companies offer a stable and secure job to thousands and thousands of people in our countries. For example, here in Guatemala, call centers in English are one of the few companies in which you can get a job with a salary above the average, regardless of how old you are or if you just completed high school. Because if you speak English and have the attitude that is required, they are going to hire you for sure. In the end, it all depends on the attitude you have, because if your attitude is negative, working in a call center is going to be something stressful, assisting annoying customers in a language that it is not even yours, or on the contrary, if your attitude is very positive, it can be a place where you will practice English with native speakers, and apart from that, they will pay you a very good salary for doing it. Everything depends on the way you see it. A few years ago in an audiobook, I heard a story that perfectly adapts to this situation of working in a call center. It is something like this. One day, there were two bricklayers laying bricks in a big religious construction. Then, someone asked to one of them, "What are you doing?" He answered, "I am here laying bricks all day without stopping, and tomorrow I will do exactly the same. I will return to lay bricks because I have to." Then the person asked the same question to the other bricklayer, but now the answer was, "I am part of a team that is building the largest and most beautiful cathedral in the world." So, if we adapt this story to the work in a call center, you could ask to someone, "What are you doing?" That person could answer, "Here answering calls of annoying customers all day, and I will do the same thing tomorrow because I have to." Or on the contrary, that person could answer, "I am practicing a different language through the help I provide to our customers in each call, because thanks to this job, tomorrow I'm going to be able to give a better lifestyle to my family." The point I want to make clear is that no matter what job you have, attitude is everything.